Welcome back to my Unity tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add music and also how to use the TextMeshPro. I'll show you how to add music to the character, like means how to do a walking sound or how to add a walking sound to show that once the character is moving, you'll have that footstep sound added to it. Okay, now I'll show you the background music. You can come over here to the hierarchy. You can create an empty and over here when you search for a component, it will be an audio component, and then you can search for the audio source. And once you're here, you can add the audio clip. So I have downloaded some audio clip from the Unity Asset Store. This is the audio that I've chosen for the background music. Now when I go back here, as you can see, you can select the audio. So I'm gonna select, suppose, the background music 2. So I'll go here, I'll go to the game object. You can rename this game object to, suppose, BG music. So you know that this is for the background music. Now I'm gonna drag and drop this here, and when you play the game, you can hear the background music. Okay, now we want the background music to loop. So if you press here, you can see here loop. So this will keep on playing. So it will not stop abruptly. I'll play it again. As you can see, if the audio clip is very short, it would loop it again and again. So now I'm going to delete this so that I can show you how the other stuff works. That is, now I've actually created a walking script for the player, so that we can add uh, the audio for the player while walking. This is a simple walking script that I've created. I'll show it to you. This is the simple walking script that I've created for the player controller walking script. Yeah. So I'll play the this thing. As you can see, it's not connected. So first, let me connect it to the player. So I will add the player controller script here, and now you're able to control the player. Here, as there was ragdoll created in the previous video, the character does not have an animation also, so he just falls down to the ground because of the ragdoll. And now I've created a script to check out the audio and also the text mesh pro. As you can see here, you can add an audio clip and you can add the text mesh. I've added a walking text mesh pro here. That is, I'll show it to you. When you play, it shows that it's in walking condition right here. So it's walking. You can add the TextMeshPro just by adding from the hierarchy 3D object and TextMeshPro. And in the TextMeshPro, you can edit what to be what the text should be. The text input should be. You can change it right here. Okay, now I'll show you the Ragdoll controller. This thing that I've created for the audio and the TextMeshPro. That is, here it is. This is the using TextMeshPro. We have found the we have added for the audio clip and the TextMeshPro, and yeah, this is the movement that we have added for the ragdoll. Okay, now when we go here, and I will activate the ragdoll controller script here. And now let's add an audio clip that I've downloaded. I've downloaded a free pack from the asset store, Unity Asset Store. This is the one that I downloaded from the Unity Asset Store. Now let's go back and I will add a walking audio. That is, there's a chainmail audio that's here. So let's go to the character and drag and drop the audio clip here, and once we play, uh, we'll get the audio input. As you can see here, when the character is moving, it's making a chainmail audio. So that's it for uh, the explanation of the audio and how the audio works and how the TextMesh Pro works for this tutorial.